Picture this. You sent a pay link weeks ago, the offer's long gone, but the link is still live and still open to anyone who finds it. That's a problem. With Vyroq pay links, you're in control, always. Head to the pay links page. Every link shows its status at a glance: active, draft, expired, or closed, right there in the filter chips at the top. Here's where it gets useful. Open any link's row menu and hit Close. The link stops accepting payments immediately. No more surprise charges on an offer you've moved on from. Need finer control? Click into the Links Overview tab and set an Expires at date. The link closes itself automatically, right on schedule, without you lifting a finger. Made a link for a one-time deal? Toggle. Allow multiple payments off and the same URL still works, but only once. Perfect for a single coaching session or a one-off invoice. Didn't need that link at all? Hit delete from the row actions and it's gone. Clean, no orphaned links cluttering your dashboard. That's full lifecycle control over every pay link. Active, expiring, or closed exactly when you decide. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.